Hello, what's up everyone? I'm back again with another video tutorial. Today in this video tutorial we're going to discuss that how you can unfollow multiple users at once from your Instagram ID. If you go to your Instagram and go to your profile and click on your followings, you can easily see that there are all the accounts that you follow, but if you want to unfollow them one by one, it's going to take a lot of time, especially if you are going to do it in large numbers. So how you can do it where you can with ease unfollow multiple accounts at once. So there are multiple apps on Play Store which will promise you that they can get this process done, but the problem there is, the con there is that you can get your account banned. Even though the apps promise that your account won't get banned, but the automation will detect your account as a bot process, and then it'll ban it. So how you can achieve this without risking your account? So here I have this new trick under my sleeve which I'm going to share with you guys. So what you need to do is go to your Play Store, and from there you need to download Auto Clicker. Now this app is available on Play Store. What you need to do is go and download this one, which I am showing on the screen, and then once it's downloaded, open this app. Now once you open this app, what actually this app does is, if you enable it, it will add a pointer on your screen which you can place anywhere on the screen, and if you press play, it's gonna click that following portion. It's gonna click there at that specific portion of your screen. Let's suppose here I'm gonna place it on the following button, and if I press the play button, it's gonna click there. But you can also change the interval of the time that you want it to press the screen after each interval. So if I go back to the app and after that I click on multiple target, because basically we are gonna unfollow multiple accounts, so we would need multiple target because there are a bunch of accounts that show up at once on the screen. So I can go and click on multiple target, and after that I can also set up time interval that after that specific interval of time the app will make a click on the screen. So once that's done, now what you can do is you can just simply go to your Instagram and place the multiple tap options on your screen, depending on where the following option goes. And once that's done, you can set a direction that you need the app to scroll, or you can make a direction toward which the app will scroll on the screen. So once that's done, then you set up the interval, and then after that, if you press play, it's going to scroll the screen into that direction and going to click on the following button or the unfollowing button that you have selected as a target, and that will be achieved. So this is how you can unfollow multiple accounts at once on your Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. If it did, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this one. See you in the next one. Peace.